Hello everybody, I am Roberto Ferrari from the University of Ferrara, and I'm here to tell you that to have elevated blood pressure is bad. It damages the heart, the brain and the kidney. And the problem is that you do not feel the level of pressure in the pipes of your body. For this reason, hypertension or high blood pressure is considered the silent killer. This is because there is too much salt in your meal. So please, my message to you is please reduce the salt in your meal. Cook with less salt. Remember, this is an S.O.S. Step down with your salt. It's very important for your health. Of course, this can be done, and Dr. Shailender Singh will tell you how to do it.
Good morning. I am Dr. Shailender Singh, consultant cardiologist at KIMS Sunshine Hospital, Hyderabad. Thank you, Dr. Ferrari, for your views on salt intake and heart disease. I agree with you that salt intake should be reduced, and it should be reduced in order to reduce the complications of high salt intake like heart attack, stroke and kidney disease. Normally WHO recommends intake of only 5 grams of salt per day. In India it is much higher, although the exact amount of salt intake taken by Indians is not very clear, but definitely much higher than 5 grams of salt intake, which is recommended by WHO. To reduce the intake of salt is very important in order to avoid these complications which I have just now enumerated. How to reduce salt intake? One is reduce the salt, or don't add salt to rice or wheat dough to prepare chapatis. Reduce the salt shaker, or completely avoid the salt shaker on the dining table. Completely don't add extra salt, and avoid sprinkling salt over cut fruits or over curd during eating the food, and reduce the intake of salt by reducing high salt containing foods like pickle and papa. And if you reduce the salt intake significantly, it adds to your life and also reduces the complications of high salt intake, especially in patients with hypertension. When we see patients, we advise them to reduce the salt intake, and these are a few measures that are very important to reduce salt intake while taking lunch or dinner. Thank you.